Hey guys, welcome to Login Hubs. Today I'll be showing you how to delete all of your comments on Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now, to delete all of the comments you have posted on multiple posts across the timeline on your Facebook, let's dive right in again and open a Facebook app first on your iPhone. And after opening your Facebook app, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the menu or the three-lined icon available for us over there at the bottom right corner. Tap over there, and over here, guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings icon. Tap there, and on the settings and privacy section of your account on Facebook, guys, scroll down until you can spot your activity log. And over here, guys, under the category of your activity there is the activity log. Tap on that and your activities log will open, where you'll be required to filter out your comments by tapping on the blue buttons where it says your comments. Now, to find that, just swipe these blue buttons where it says the public post, public text to the right or to the left. Swipe them to the left, and over here, guys, you can see your comments appear. Tap on that and you will be able to view all of your comments across the Facebook on the timeline. You can see now, in order to delete all of your comments over here, you can see the filter icon available over here for us. Just beside the comments over here, or just below the archive, there is the filter icon with the one button. Let's tap on that, and guys, you can see you can filter or clear out all of your comments out according to your categories, date, or people. If you want to clear all of your comments just out or clean them, just tap on the clear all button at the top right corner of the panel just beside the filters, and all of your comments will be cleared on Facebook. And there, guys, this is how you delete or clear all of the comments you posted on Facebook from your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.